Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Apollo client. Today we are going to learn setting a fetch policy. Setting a fetch policy in Apollo client allows you to control how your queries interact with the cache and the network. The fetch policy determines whether the Apollo client should return data from the cache or make a network request or the both. Here you can set a fetch policies using the Apollo client. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So you have to set here the fetch policy. Okay, so here we are setting the policy that is cache and the network, so both. Okay, and here it will fetch the results. So there are all of the points, some fetch policies. In this example, we have set the fetch policy that is cache and the network, which instructs the Apollo client to first return the data from the cache if available and the fetch the data from the network in the background to update the cache and refresh the UI. So some common fetch policies that we have: a cache first. So fetch the data from the cache. If the data isn't present in the cache, fetch it from the cache network. Cache and the network. Fetch the data from the cache, then fetch the data from the network to update the cache and refresh the UI. Network only. Fetch the data from the network without using the cache. Cache only. Fetch the data from the cache without using the network. If the data isn't present in the cache, return an error. So these are the some cache fetch policies so that you can use. So currently we are using that from the fetch policies, that is network and the cache. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here just update like this. So we require use query. Okay, get locations, just put it. And here you can see we have to remove the button over here, we don't require because cache the data. So here you can see that just delete this. So it automatically fetch the data from the network and the cache, right? So I think by default, but I haven't set the like polling the intervals, like how many times it will go. Okay, so it will automatically depends on it, right? So these are the fetch policies. You can try when whatever suits to your project. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, the method is just what we have to do, just fetch policy over here, cache and the network. So it will fetch the data when the when the time or period of the cache is like end, then it will go and just hit it from the network. Okay, so here we go with that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.